Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
Oh, me so go no bossa me oh. Oh, me so go, hallelujah. Oh, me so go no bossa me oh. Oh, me so go, hallelujah. Oh, me so go no bossa me oh. Oh, me so go, hallelujah. Oh, me so go no bossa me oh. Oh, me so go, hallelujah. Hello everyone. Hi. I was on social media. Why kino iwala wa so gbebe peti uwe. Am busy gwaligo. People are busy making money while others are busy making trash. I get my time to make my money for social media, not for useless. I get my time to make my money the way I want them for social network, not for trash. Now money, now they look for social media, don't be trouble. Have you ever saw you wa ekwe yeru wa? Palawa, have ne kwero o. No enter house. Una make the busy make money. Una make the busy make money. You the busy they look for trouble. Sawa me wakwezo wegbe. As you can see, I want go post. Even go warokba. I get time to look for my money for social media, not for silliness. I be go don go ekuni go I ekuni reply video. Hell. Ema no sekpe. No do ba me bekpet you we. Ebe ka we just say na be what here go me do reply. I be go don. Ya sala no go do. Ekuni na wa ke ekpet you we wa we do reply go don. That means I me to be me be me wina. Go don ya hina. I will fin. Una. Oh mama no eti agwe ekuni go ekuni do modia. Okay, ekpet you we ni wa. Not nuisance. I am busy. Ekuni. Eko. Oh my love, don't be stupid now. Ave kodon. Why so much day ya ru never expect you ma so wa ewe. Be winere. E winere he ona. Why so wa mana deja ru ne. Be winere. Ewu no go wa vi ojo. We just be winani. It's finally complete. Because why is na where why eviojo? Am evio ewe gbo wa am eviojo. Because where no. Oh han told me ewe akin gelewu elelebe no mi he. Na so na. If goat one die, you know they follow the paper the leaf way one can swallow again. He always swallow any leaf we come away. Is away. Okay, everything. Ema gwale na rioka o bi. Wa busy le gwale zole le akoka kokian. Ezo ni o wa amebo we. O so dazi amebo we ya jo wa ezo ni. Eri ono na. Ezo ni kan fo we gbo wa. Tebi tete go yi. Omo ju why o why ke gbiere fo man ne no enegbe ibo agwaligi mane be social media o why ke jore fo that you doesn't know the moge will gas. Mano enek be way. Marigi ma yekbone. Una no na. As they busy, they look for trouble. Me, I dey busy. I want go post. I want go post, my darling people. Una they busy, look for trouble. Me, royal queen, I stand the one for that matter. I want go post. Inwenere, oh na. Ave kwedon. Wa going we hungian we kuni reply kwedon. Kwedon ni yakin. Avo fin. Oh. Oh my man, I want reply. Ave kwedon. Oh, go to Rigbo. Kwedon ni yakin. Oh my love, don't be stupid. Mene kuni na ki ekbeti ugi me waro dik ofen. We kuni ma be enegbe. Menor osawenighazowegi. Nera bi je settle down bi. Na ki ekbeti ugo me waro do fen. When give me to be me ma be enegbe me. Yes na. Na. How na me they busy make money na them busy they look for trouble here and there. Where wow. Asa aba me gwa me no down you down. Ona no let ebe kuni fem ru down we woman o ma gbe wa lege. Yes na. I woman o ma gbe wa lege. Woman. Ave ma no ma sekpe. Me a wa we yan be yan no je no ibo ka bobo me. Me mo bobo me ti am strength na ya reply code. E je ti me waste salava me. E ko don ni yakin. The movers of sheka ni respect you. Dia awu menwa no ruwe no enegbe no ro. Ya ko busy gwaligi. Wa busy gwalezo. Eni kuni o so bi olugun tagbon na ya o titi no. O titi. Wa no osawenighazowegi. Imasha wa ga don wa kokako mo ekuni ni. Oh, Kotorigbo. I live now, because I won't go busy, make my money. As soon as they busy, they look for trouble. Because now inheritance be that. Yes, now trouble now inheritance. Because who worry you who? So me na even me who fe no so. Iya we bi agbon ye gbe me na. Jega we gbe me. Wa social media ne ke ani ade imi mi opare la de wo bia mi wa gun wa go ogwa have ofin. That was again yagbera ni. God has now finally increased me. I am going higher to the next level. Ai wa hwene ya. Wa hwene ya. Una doba. Una doba. Wa busy gwalezo, wa busy gwaligo no river. Rudza we money de. Una go busy look for an where. Not be for trouble. Not be for trouble na. Yo salva. Ave mwe bogbo wa be je nwa yo. Ana be jula me nya wa hu. Ana be ti hi nu wa koka ko wa be lu enwa yo wa. No gire na kima. No wa lu enwa yo. So I am here, my darling people. So you can see I need to post. I am not here to come and talk trash with nuisance people. You don't post. You see what the logo? You never need to talk it trash. I am here to post to the destination. No one people they inside. Here walking now. Afwegbe Prince. Azoba Ofwegbe Patrick Ofwegbe. No one amawago. Onekun. Egalada. Message to kun. Hey, any yagbera no pe. Ego wa expire ni. Age igboku o. Be no expire na. Wa kon wa ya. O wa ya wo mo wene. Ahoma come and respect you go. Ofen wa yakin. Ikuedon, eguwa expire no pay. So say the Lord and our ancestors. Ya no expire no. right alo over coca because men white alo men can dig bino e kuni gi dan me ho u dan o sa wo re bine so go fun ri jofi o sa o wo re bine ba right alo u dan wo talo abugbe o igbe na gbe no beta talo wa bugbe ba si obo won yin ma to si ba si obo ba si obo iye do ne wa ire ba si obo won yin ma to si yo piensa tu voy con. Perdona, hola. ¿Me dan una cartón, por favor?
¿Un cartón?
Sí.
¿Cuál quieres?
Pequeño.
Pequeño,
Una caja.
¿Ese?
No.
¿Ese?
De abajo.
¿Ese?
Sí.
Vale, una C. No te lo traigo.
Vale. Ella no. Ajá.
Uno con 20.
Vale. Y juntas. Con ella va a pagar ahí. Yo te da lo.
Pero lo vas a